Hey everyone, this is Ray from Sheet Tricks, and today we have another spreadsheet template for you for wedding budgets. This wedding budget template has three spreadsheets in it. So first is the budget, second is our guest invitations, and third are our drop downs. The first one, our wedding budget, has two parts. First, on the left side is our summary, and then on the right side are where we input our expenses. On the left side, we have our guests. This one's populated by the guest invitations. We'll leave that alone for now. But we could add a venue budget. We could put, we want a budget of 10,000 here. And maybe for the officiant, we want, I don't know, $500 for the officiant. Hopefully, a photographer, maybe about 3,000 for the weekend. I know that might be a little bit low, but we can always hope. And then the actual cost, we don't touch this. These are all formulas, so they'll be populated by the expenses on the right side, and then they'll be calculated the difference budget and actual cost. We'll have the venue, I don't know, we'll just put today's date, and we'll have here all our categories in the drop down. We'll put in venue, and our venue will be a church. Vendor, you could put it or you don't have to, and we'll say the venue, it was 11,000. We paid a little bit extra, but that's okay. We got our payment method here. You could choose different kinds from the drop downs area here. You can see it's right now it's populated cards 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but you could change those if you want. So right now we have credit card 1. We could change it to, I don't know, we'll put cash. Right? And when we go back over here, it shows cash instead. Probably not going to pay cash, but you get the idea. And now we could see over here that the actual cost did change, and you could see that we spent over by $1,000. We could do another one here for the officiant. We'll put in just some other date here, and then same thing, we'll do the drop down, and then where's officiant? There it is. We'll say officiant Bob, yes, from the church, and he charged $800. We'll say, I know it's a little steep, but that seems to be the going rate. And then will use credit card 3 for Bob, and you can see on the left side $800 was added in. It's $300 more than what we wanted. That's okay too. All of this gets added up, and we've already spent about $17,000, and we're already $3,000 over our budget. Hey, it happens. Now onto our guest invitations area. Like I said earlier, the guest actual cost was already added in, and you can see over here how it's added. We have our summary up top. We have the amount of guests that were being added. This is created automatically through calculations on the bottom area. And then some venues, they'll charge you per guest for the bar and the catering. And this is a number you could change here. It could be 240, or maybe you didn't want the bar and then they charge you 200 instead. Now your guest cost is 4,000 for 20 people. And if we go back to our budget, we could see it's changed to $4,000. Put in a budget of $5,000 here. We'll go back to our guests and invitations here, and we could add in our dates. We know when our RSVP deadline is, and then when the wedding itself is going to be. And then on the right side here, we have our invitations, how many were sent, how many were accepted, how many are still waiting for replies, and then how many were declined. Filling out the form itself, we could add in a name like Todd, James, 2 first names, and this person is a coworker, and the invitation was sent on Halloween, and we could say Todd accepted. And Todd, we invited Todd with his family of 5, and all 5 of them are attending. And we can see here now, instead of 20, it's now 25, and now our guest cost is 5,000. And we go back here, and you can see it's changed to $5,000. Go back to the guest list. We could also add in any dietary restrictions, say vegetarian. Or we could add in whatever it is for the other people, so you can make notes of it while you're doing your catering. Maybe Ava, let's say no pork, or stuff like that, or gluten-free, right? The other two columns here, you could add in, this will probably be for after the wedding's done, if you received a gift from them, so maybe they gave $200 or maybe a toaster, something like that. And then notes, you could add this for junior deckers, sit with Noah, and then we could put that one, sit with junior, or whatever you want. You also extend it if we don't have enough room here. Easy. And then our last is our drop downs area. We could add in different categories of people or guests. So right now we have friend, family, coworker, other. If you have anything else, I don't know, see, league team. Go back over here and you can see league team is in there. Change them there. If you want to know where these people come from, the other drop downs, I don't know what else you would use besides this. We could also add other RSVP statuses, and then like I showed earlier are your different payment types. And that's it. That's our wedding budget spreadsheet template. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or go to our website. You could message me there. I will put this in the description. That way you could try it out. It's 100% free. Share it with your friends. You can subscribe if you did enjoy this. It really helps us out. And thanks for watching.